Okay, I just reached in time. Great, Nancy. Ready for the talk. You have my PPT, right? Oh, where is my mic? I just want to test it once. Lights will be there, no? Okay. Slide changer, do we have it? Hey there, I am Nancy Shah. I am a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speaker Circle. We started this initiative to help people develop their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and now gradually offline, and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link of the form in the description. Well, in today's video, we are going to talk about something really important which most of the people tend to forget sometimes. That's venue check. There are many things that you need to keep in mind. So let's get started. There are many instances where you are supposed to deliver a speech and talk in front of a physical live audience, and for that you need to go to certain places and give a talk. And we want to suggest you many things that you should keep in mind. Point number one, check your stage area. At any venue, it is very crucial to know where you would be standing and delivering a talk or a speech. So, is there a dedicated stage area or not? If yes, then where it is and how comfortable are you standing over there? Will you get the enough space or not? What is the way to climb up the stage? Would you be sitting on the stage throughout the time, or you will be coming for your talk only? These are the very small things, but that matters a lot. So, check your stage area well. One more thing that you need to check in the stage area, that is the arrangement of a podium and mic. So first let's talk about a podium. Are you going to use a podium or not? Or you would be moving here and there. In that case, you would need a wireless or a cordless mic. If you're going to use a podium, do you have enough space to put your papers or reference material over there or not? Is it a transparent podium or not? Because if the podium is transparent or made of a transparent material, then your body would be visible out of it. So you need to ensure that you stand and have a right posture over there. And if that's a wooden or sort of a podium from where people can't see you, you can be little more relaxed. So check your podium first. Where is it located, on the right or left? Are you comfortable with it or not? So that's the second thing. Third thing, your mic. Test your mic, check your mic, ensure that you are having a right sort of sound or a tone that you want. Like I am personally having a high volume pitch, so I'll ensure that I keep the volume of the mic little low because my natural voice is little louder. So you need to ensure that you're comfortable with the sound that you're getting from your mic. Also, is it a lapel mic which you are wearing in your collar, or is it something like a mic which comes directly over here and not supposed to carry it, or is it a wireless mic, or is it a standee? Please check what is available and what you're going to use, because you need to move things around accordingly. Second thing, check the sitting arrangements for your audience. How many people are going to attend? Are they going to sit in a chairs, or it is just on a floor, or they are sitting in a circular angle, or is sort of a very huge auditorium? Where your audience is going to sit, how they are aligned, that is something that you need to check. Also, you need to check the entry and exit for your audience as well, because people will keep coming and moving here and there, and that should not distract you. And one more thing, if possible, move around and just go through the entire audience area once, so that you're comfortable, you know how the stage or the person standing on the stage looks like from somewhere back also. So move around the entire venue so that you're comfortable with it. Another thing that you need to keep in mind while checking the audience arrangement, are you going to drop down from a stage and go and talk to the audience, or will you be completely talking from the stage? So if you're planning to drop down from the stage and go to the audience, you need to check the range of your mic, check the range of your slide changer, and what's the way you can move around, and what would be the ideal or suitable route, and by what time you will be able to come back. If it's very timed presentation or planned presentation, you need to see all these things as well. The point number 3, check the technological support or visual aids or anything that you would need in terms of technology. If you're going to use PowerPoint, you need to check the screen, the slides, the slide changer, the range of a slide changer, and ensure that you do the dry run before the show so that you are aware about how it would work. Even if you're not going to use a slide changer, also there are few other things that you need to keep in mind. First, lights, how the light would come on your face. So sometimes they do it in a manner that the audience area is completely dark and only the stage area is lit. In such cases, would you be able to see their faces or not? That's a question. Secondly, if the only light is focusing you, would you able to see the audiences also? Because I still remember in one show, it was a very sharp focused light that I was getting on my face and I was totally blank. I could not see anything out there, but still I had to assume that people are there because there were 2000 people sitting there, and still continue with the show. So check your lights arrangement as well so that you do not get a surprise during the talk. Just like lights, check your sound system as well. If you are going to play any audio or video, play it in advance and try it once so that you are aware how much sound you want, what's the volume or what's the bass. If you want to change something, you can do it in advance. So these were the 3 major points that we wanted to share with you about the stage arrangements, the audience arrangement, and the technological equipments that you're going to use. Try to ensure and check it well in advance so that nothing comes as a surprise to you at the last moment. Being prepared is always better. Okay, so always try to prepare it well in advance. So I think that was it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Try to apply it when you go for your next speech and let us know your experience with it. With this, I would like to tell you that consider subscribing this YouTube channel, because here you will find so many videos like this which might help you in your next speeches and talks. I'll see you around someday in our live sessions that we do on every Thursday on this YouTube channel. Bye bye.